If you're using Evernote Free and you want to reduce ads, marketing emails, and those extra in-app prompts, this video will walk you through the settings you can change right now. Keep in mind, Evernote Free may still show some promotional content in the app, but you can absolutely minimize a lot of the noise by adjusting your account preferences. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Evernote Web Access in your browser and log into your account. Using the web version is the easiest way to find these account settings, especially if you want to control email preferences from one central place. Once you're signed in, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile photo or your name there. Click on it and from the menu that appears, choose Personal Info. This is where Evernote keeps your account-related options. After that, you'll land in the Personal Settings area. Take a moment to look through the page carefully because there are several account settings here, but the one we want is lower down on the page. Scroll until you find the Email Options section. This section controls the types of emails Evernote sends to your inbox, including product news, feature updates, and promotional offers. If you want fewer marketing emails, uncheck the boxes related to those messages. In most cases, you'll want to disable anything that sounds promotional, sales-related, or unnecessary for your everyday use. That way, you can keep your inbox much cleaner and avoid getting extra Evernote emails you don't really need. After you've selected the options you want, keep scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page. This part is easy to miss, so make sure you don't stop halfway through. At the bottom, click Save Changes. That step is important because your new preferences won't apply until you save them. Once the settings are saved, Evernote should start respecting your updated email choices, which can help reduce the amount of promotional communication you receive going forward. Now, just to be clear, this process is mainly about minimizing ads and promotional emails, not completely removing every possible prompt inside the app. Some free plan messages may still appear depending on how Evernote delivers them, but changing these settings is the best first step for cutting down on clutter. If you still see messages later, it's worth going back into your preferences and double-checking that the promotional options are turned off. And that's it. You've now adjusted your Evernote settings to reduce ads and marketing emails as much as possible on the free plan. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.